up, guys? This is your boy Ian, and welcome to Teardown. So, if you don't know what that game, it's like Minecraft, but even real. It's like a destructible game. So yeah, we're just gonna do like a campaign thingy. You have like a laser gun. I activated it actually. So let me do it. Okay, walk home. Wait, is this my home? Do that. Okay, so you can open the gate. Okay. Go inside. I destroyed it. Oh yeah, let's open the door. Okay, pick up your tools. Damn. Okay, replace fuse to turn on power. Where's the... Which one? Open the door. Okay. Where do I go? Replace fuse. Okay. Go inside and check messages. Where? Wait. Where? Oh, there it is. There's the arrow. Operate. Messages. Gas bill. Play mission. Okay. Hi. Can I drive? Did I listen? Ooh. Okay. What do I do? That scared me. So I didn't know what that means. So yeah. Okay, so let's go back here. Old building problem. I need... Oh, wait. That's gas bill. Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager of the... I need someone. Knock it over. Okay, so I have to knock it over. So yeah, I gotta knock it over, guys. So yeah, and like and subscribe for more Teardown. Okay, so I need someone to knock it down. Someone to knock it down. Move. Move. So it says I need someone to knock it down. Ooh, that was a close one. So it says I need someone to knock it over. So it says I need someone to knock it over, so yeah, I'm knocking it down. So does it mean it says I'm gonna knock it down? I think, wait guys, I think this is the house. Bro, you said knock it down, so I knock it down. Yep, it's knocked down. Okay, so now I have to use this. Oh, that's it? Wait, that's it? So that's how you do that. Okay. Okay, now I know what it means. Okay. Stop! Let's see what I have. Wait, that's my car? Let's see what we have. Oh, a new message. Investigation. What a morning. So, you know, I don't actually do this, but I'm stuck on the case. Like, I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence. Hey, Lawrence, my second name! Lawrence, my second name! Oh my god. Okay, Lawrence Lee Computer. Hey, Lawrence Lee! Okay, Lawrence is my second name. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so what do I do? Lee. Hell no. Hell no. Hey, don't knock me over. Hell no. I know that map from the ad. From that ad. Okay. Open the door! No, I tried smashing the door on it. Okay, so one is right here. Hey, wait! So, is this the one? Wait, that's a vehicle? Huh? Where's R&B? Hold up. What's the control of that R&B? Where's the R&B, huh? It's not here on my compute in that thing. Ah! Okay, I'm doing it. Come on, come on! Yes! Let's go! Oh my god! A few minutes later. Especially like and subscribe for more videos and Teardown. I knew it! Move out of the way! No, no, no! What do I do? We're doing good, we're doing good! Doing good. We're doing good. Get up. Get up! Get up! Get up! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! That's what I did. That's what I did. Nothing. I'm just celebrating. Okay, mission complete. I was in a rush. Man, why are you interrupting me? Hi, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. We're doing it quick. We're doing it quick, man. Chill. Here we go. Okay, so you're falling down, and then where we go? Okay, this is where we went right here. I'm like a one when I came up. Okay. New tool has been delivered. New tool? A blowtorch. Hey, bet, bro, bet, man, chill. Oh wait, it's upstairs. So what are those? What are those things? But what do I do? Dump it in the water. Move! It's my door now. So it says throw it in the water, right? Dump it in the water. Dump it in tubig. In what? In tubig. Dump it in the tubig. Or dump it in the water. Smash it up. So I have to dump it in the water. Okay, you said dump it in the water, right? Dump this in the ocean. Okay. Is there some kind of like a pickup truck? Or something? Or something like that? That's really strong. So yeah, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and turn on the notification bell. For more of this. Yeah, peace out.